Today we are going to do a coffee recipe and we are going to make two different sizes. One is for a bottle drink and another one is for a 16 ounces drink. For those that will be asking in the future, how can you make the same drink using 22 ounces cup? Don't worry, I will put the recipe in the description below so you can just refer to that. Because it's going to be a special coffee recipe, we are going to use our espresso machine. As always, we only need very few ingredients. I want to keep my drinks simple and easy to make. So we are going to use our milk syrup, which is a combination of evaporated milk and condensed milk. And we are also going to use fresh milk for our latte. And we're going to use strawberry puree. I'm just using Monan here. You can make your own strawberry puree. If you haven't yet seen the video on how to make that, I have a video tutorial. Check that link above. And of course, we need our espresso. For the two sizes of our drinks, the bottled 300 ml drink, we are only going to use one shot of coffee, of espresso. Because this one has no ice, it's similar to like a hot latte. And so we are only going to use 1 ounce of espresso or one shot. For the cold drink, as usual, we are going to use 2 shots. So we're going to pull our espresso shots, 1 shot and 2 shots for this. I've got my espresso, 1 shot, 2 shots. So we'll start making our drinks. So for the 300 ml bottle, we need 6 ounces of our fresh milk, (15 ml) of our strawberry puree. You can use strawberry syrup as well, (half an ounce) of our milk syrup, and then our 1 shot of espresso. And as always, because it is not so full yet, I'm going to just add a little bit of our fresh milk. Fill it up with fresh milk. And there you have your strawberry cafe latte in 300 ml bottle. To make it look nice, put your own label on the bottle. Okay? So snap the cap on and it's locked. Now, let's make our iced strawberry cafe latte. For this, presentation is everything. So I'm going to show you how to do it in a really nice and attractive and really appetizing drink. Okay? We're going to first make our latte at the bottom and we will put the coffee on top. For this, we need 1.5 ounce of milk syrup, 3 ounces of fresh milk, that's 2, and 1 more ounce, 3 ounces of fresh milk, and the same here, we're going to use 15 ml or half an ounce of our strawberry puree. Mix it. This is our latte. And then we'll put our ice into our glass. Here you are, iced strawberry cafe latte and bottled strawberry cafe latte. looks absolutely delightful. For the bottled strawberry cafe latte, it can happily sit in the refrigerator for at most 2 weeks. But I would suggest you finish it or you sell it all off within 1 week. You can display this in your shop with a chiller, or you can put it in a bucket full of ice and make it look really, really cold. It will be very, very tempting. Once again, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.